Hi, my name is Rob. I'm with Simply Be Found. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of the platform, where the platform's headed, where it is now, and tell you how it's going to help your business. I want to explain what we are and what we are not. We are not a marketing firm. We are not a pay-per-click firm. We are not somebody who's going to run ads that are going to be expensive and hidden fees. We were built for small business owners. Now, what I mean by this is our whole entire process was created for the small business guy. We looked at several different industries that make our economy what it is today, and ones I have experience with. I've personally done marketing for over close to 30,000 different companies throughout my career. I think I'm at so far that I've at least touched or done something with. I've owned small businesses. I've invested in small businesses. It's one of those things to where I'm extremely passionate. Now, Simply Found Simply Be Found started all from having a conversation with one of my clients, which is a partner inside of Simply Be Found, Dean Kaler. You can read his story, I think, on our website and kind of hear him talk about his version of this. But the whole concept was being able to be found in multiple different places. We don't have yellow pages anymore, or the phone book, or people going to the newspaper. We also don't have a lot of people looking at any of the mail ads. I mean, you get the mail ads in the mail, where do they end up? They end up in the trash unless you know you're going to be using them. And the problem is when the kitchen sink stops working, water starts dripping from your ceiling, or whatever might happen, you're turning to other ways to find businesses in your local area. Now, we're really not built for nationwide companies unless they have presence in the local area. We work with local businesses that have a local service area within 25, 30, 50 miles, maybe from their location. We run ads for them. We run unlimited ads without pay-per-click or any of those things. We get them found across multiple different types of devices. So when somebody has that water dripping from their ceiling, or a leaky faucet, or their toilet backs up, or they're even looking for a restaurant that is near them, where are they going? What are they doing? Well, they're turning to devices. Either they're going to their cell phone, like, right here, and they're either typing it in, or they're saying, "Hey, Siri, find a restaurant near me. Hey, Siri, find a plumber near me. Hey, Siri, find someone that can mow my lawn." Yeah, it's going to give them, anywhere between 1 and 3 options when that search happens. So when that search happens, oh, now Siri wants to talk to me. One of those things, it's going to give them 3 different options. Those options are sorted out based on how close of a proximity are you to that business, or how many reviews have you had, or how active have you been on your Google My Business, which is now Google Business Profile? How active have you been on Facebook? How active have you responded to your reviews? Have you done any of these things? Most small business owners know they need to be doing something, but they have no idea what they need to be doing. That is why Simply Be Found even exists. And it's designed for the non-tech savvy for you to be able to dive in. So that way you're being found on that mobile device. So that way you're being found on the Alexas of the world. So when someone says, "Hey, find a device near me," or when someone puts into their browser that they're looking for that plumber, looking for that restaurant, whatever it might be, that way they get found. Now the question is, how does that work? And how can you change that around as a small business owner to be able to get found? Well, here, let me show you. I'm going to show you what's on my screen right now. This is the Simply Be Found platform. Simply Be Found platform. I'm going to show you the Get Found package. What it's going to do is when you first log in, you're going to connect your Google My Business account or any other networks that you might have. And the first page, this will take a little bit of time for it to build up and so you can see everything, but it's going to give you a to-do list of the things that you need to do to be able to take action that will help you get your business found. Now, this is an algorithm that is currently being learned, it's currently being taught, and it's learning your business. So what it'll do is it'll look to see what is the most valuable thing you could do right now. It's going to put it at the very top of the list for you to be able to see results in your business. So for example, on this profile I'm in right now, it wants me to check this. I'm not going to check my attributes right now. And apparently I'm going to break it. That's what happens when I hop onto these demos. So if we're going to just totally skip over the top of that. We're going to say create post. Now, create post should be create an ad. We changed this over to being called advertising instead of post because most small business owners have no idea what a post is. A post is an advertisement that you can post out onto Google My Business for free. These posts can also go to Facebook and other networks as we get those launched in. You can add a photo to that post. You can say whatever you want inside of that post of what your customers would care about. So you can create that ad and place everything here. You can either schedule it or you can publish now and where you want to post it to. You can also put a call to action button like learn more or sign up. And then you can give them a website address to be able to go sign up. This gets posted directly into your Google My Business profile. So when they do a search, they're going to be able to pull it up soon. Like in the next couple of weeks, we're going to have Bing to where Bing will list that same thing as well. So no matter if they're on Google or Bing, they can get found or they can find your business and what you have to offer, and they can see those things that relate. This allows the search engine to get to know you. Now, for example, if you had any coupons or offers, you'd be able to do the same thing into here. You'd be able to create those questions. You'd be able to create those offers and those coupons. So that way you can advertise yourself out. Goes to the same place, has the same concept. Only difference is this lets you do some terms and conditions and offers and put a coupon code in. Again, you can schedule this so it goes out at a certain date, or you can publish it right now. Now, one of the biggest keys of being able to do your marketing and getting your business found is by using reviews. So we have a review generation tool that allows you to share information out by either text messages, email. You can ask people for a review that way, or just by providing them a link. What that link will do is it'll allow them to be able to say, I give you this many stars. Now, we don't do link gating. Link gating is illegal. It's very frowned upon. I guess you might be able to manipulate our system to do link gating, but we would never promote it. We would never suggest it. What you would do is it chooses what networks to display. So our system automatically displays those based on how many reviews you've gotten on each place. It's called smart review generation. So if you need reviews more on Google, it'll send more people to Google. If you need more reviews on Bing, it'll send more people to Bing. If you need more reviews on Better Business Bureau because you don't have any over there, but you have a profile, it'll do that as well. Now, you can select what networks you want to display, and you can kind of make adjustments to this, or you can let the system automatically do it. But what happens is we display everything out. Now, not all of our networks are you can respond to. Some we will send you over to that network with a link and make it easy for you to respond and can walk you through it. Our customer service team is great at doing that. But anything you can respond to, it allows you to respond to. If we're able to track reviews on responses, we will do that as well. Some of the networks don't allow us to have API access, or we're still in contact with them to be able to try to get access to that. If there's a network you really want to have direct integration with, let us know, and we'll certainly help you with that. But this allows you to know how many reviews you've had, how many reviews responded, not responded, and gives you the tool to be able to go generate more reviews. Like I said, when it comes to voice search or any of the searches, it's looking for activity on your profile. It's looking at how accurate is that information, and it's looking for how many reviews, what people were saying about you. Bad reviews are okay, guys. We're not going to make everybody happy. It just is what it is. We know we're not going to make everyone happy. It's impossible. You can't even try. So one of the big things to be able to put into perspective there is get reviews, let it naturally happen, and send out, just ask the request. I mean, you might send 100 requests and only get one review, but that one review might be really powerful. Now, if you get a bad review, they have an opportunity to change their review. So based on your reply and how you solve it, can definitely change the outcome of how that goes. Because you can also change your reply after they change theirs. If they changed it, our system will automatically let you know that, hey, this person updated the reply. You might want to check your reply to make sure it's still accurate. And it doesn't look like, hey, Sam over at XYZ did a really great job. We had a problem at the very beginning, but they made everything right in the end. That way you know that you shouldn't say, we're really sorry about your experience. No, now you can change it and say, hey, I'm glad we could change that experience for you and flip it around to be a good review. One other thing that we can do inside of here is questions and answers. Google and Bing, both algorithms both love questions, and they love customers asking questions. They love answers from businesses. It's one of the hugest pieces that a lot of marketing firms forget about. If you go to Google My Business directly, it actually will only let you reply to questions that customers ask. Our system will actually let you ask an owner question. So it'll allow you to be able to put all those frequently asked questions, build a database on that, so that way Google understands your business even more. And creating a question is really super simple. Just create a question, type your question in this box, put your answer down here. I recommend trying to put as many questions in there because people ask questions inside of the Google search all the time. It also can start playing into the algorithm. And I'm currently doing a lot of research on this for how it plays in this voice. You can also update all of your business information, your business hours directly from the platform. This allows you to come in here. Any changes you have, you can put in. If you have new social media links, your main categories, your attributes, whatever might apply to you, so that way you're making sure your information is completely accurate. Any network that we have a direct integration to, we are going to send these updates out to them and make sure your information is always up to date. We're getting integrated into probably 2 to 3 platforms a month right now, so I'm super excited to be able to have that be a huge, large database by the end of the year. So this is the basics of Simply Be Found. It's super simple, super easy to use, but it's extremely powerful. Let you run unlimited ads, put as many questions and answers in, put offers, put coupons, keep your information up to date, and as we grow this out, we'll give you even more opportunities to be able to grow your business. Now, there's some industry-specific tools like restaurant menus, that type of thing, that we will demo out on other videos, as this is just a general overview. Our whole entire purpose is to be able to work with you, to be able to help you do your own marketing in 5 to 10 minutes per day, to be able to get your business found by more customers in a very affordable fashion. If you have any questions, definitely let us know. Check us out at simplybefound.com, and I look forward to seeing you inside.